Welcome back to the Body Sculpt channel, your ultimate destination for holistic wellness and fitness. In today's video, we will delve into the fascinating world of restorative yoga, an incredible practice that promotes deep relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or new to the practice, restorative yoga offers immense benefits for your mind, body, and spirit. So, let's dive in and explore the transformative practice of restorative yoga. Restorative yoga is a gentle and therapeutic style of yoga that focuses on relaxation and rest. Unlike more active forms of yoga, restorative yoga aims to provide a nurturing and supportive environment for your body to release tension and restore balance. It involves the use of various props, such as bolsters, blankets, and blocks, to create a comfortable and safe space for deep relaxation. The benefits of restorative yoga are truly remarkable. Let's take a closer look at some of the ways this practice can enhance your overall well-being. Restorative yoga activates your body's relaxation response, which helps to reduce stress and anxiety. By allowing your body to enter a state of deep relaxation, restorative yoga promotes a sense of calm and tranquility. Restorative yoga gently stretches and releases tension in your muscles, promoting improved circulation and enhanced flexibility. It can also aid in relieving chronic pain and promoting faster recovery from injuries. Mental clarity. Restorative yoga allows you to disconnect from the constant mental chatter and find clarity in the present moment. Through conscious breathing and mindful awareness, you can cultivate a sense of inner peace and mental clarity. Restorative yoga can be a powerful tool to improve your sleep quality. By practicing restorative poses before bedtime, you can calm your nervous system, release tension, and prepare your body for a deep and restful sleep. Now, let's explore how to incorporate restorative yoga into your own practice. It's essential to create a calm and inviting space where you can fully surrender and relax. Choose a quiet and peaceful area where you won't be disturbed. Dim the lights or use soft lighting to create a soothing ambience. Gather your props, including bolsters, blankets, and blocks, to support your body in various poses. Mindful breathwork. Begin with deep, conscious breathing. Inhale slowly, filling your belly, and exhale fully, releasing any tension or stress. Focus on your breath as you let go of any thoughts or worries. Restorative yoga consists of a series of supported poses that encourage deep relaxation. Some common poses include reclining bound angle pose, supported child's pose, and legs up the wall pose. Use props to fully support your body and allow yourself to completely let go. Once you're in a comfortable position, hold the pose for several minutes, allowing your body to fully surrender. This is not an active practice, it's about giving yourself permission to rest and restore. Restorative yoga offers a beautiful opportunity to find deep relaxation, restoration, and healing in our busy lives. By incorporating this practice into your routine, you can experience the profound benefits it provides for your overall well-being. Remember, restorative yoga is a personal journey, and it's essential to listen to your body's needs and limitations. If you have any existing health conditions or concerns, please consult with a qualified yoga teacher or healthcare professional before practicing. That's all for today's video on restorative yoga. We hope this introduction has inspired you to explore this incredible practice and integrate it into your wellness routine. Remember, self-care and relaxation are vital aspects of maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in our next video. Namaste.